Hello, this is Moses Jairaj. I need to say you about the basic requirement of an athlete. Actually, it is the basic requirement for the great achievements. If any man want to do a great achievements, this is the basic principle. This principle is creating a mental vision. Mostly I was strong in visualization. I was developed it by listening stories from my childhood. That craving to listen more stories. I'm a Christian and I went to a everyday Sunday school. And the stories in the Bible teach me about the greatest heroes like Moses, David. Those things trained my vision in my childhood. When I was increasing my age, I started facing bullies. What happened to me is those bullies make my vision to think about the failures, think about having difficulties to me. It made me a pessimist thinker. When I came into the athletics, I made it stronger to become an optimist thinker. Now what I done, now I want to share with you. First you want to create a mental vision. How do you create a mental vision? Your brain has two parts. Your brain has, one is a creative thinking. The right brain is creative thinking, use it for creative thinking, and the left brain is use it for logical thinking. You need to first do it like this. Take a paper and what you are passionate for. Basically we are an athlete. I'm saying this to an athlete. What you do, just think about what you want to achieve, like in track or in a field. If you want to throw a javelin, this measurement, or you want to become a fastest man in the world, think like that. Start creating a vision, then write it on the paper with a prescribed measurement. When you see this, what I write is my basic goal. I measured it with detailedly. What I measured is I need to become a fastest man. I measured it like doing a 400 meters 42.00 seconds. That is the measurement. First write it. And next thing, dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. You have a dream. Many of us has a wishes, but the great minds has beliefs. They believe in it. We don't have our wishes, we have beliefs. Those things will come from by setting goals, by touching that actuality which is not now, which is in future, and prepare a blueprint for that. That is known as goals. I need to tell you about the goals. A survey was conducted in Harvard University. All the students who are having highest academic standards in MBA, they gathered again. Actually 300 members gathered in Harvard University, and someone asked them, how many of you have a goals? Then a few hundred has goals according to their standards. And next they asked, how many of you writing goals on a paper? Among the 300 members, only 100 has goals to their standards, and only 9 are writing on a paper. Those 9 members who wrote it on the paper, having salary when they measured 10 times than the other guys who have goals but not written in paper. Writing in paper is must and should. Someone thinks it is a childish. No, it is not. It is basic requirement. By writing your goal on a paper, by visualizing, what it makes you is work both of your minds, both of your parts of the brain to think about that. Actually, a human being think one thing at once. And what you need to do is repeat that repetition every day, every night before bed, and every morning after bed. You need to just first 30 minutes and last 30 minutes of your day to train your brain. What you teach to your subconscious mind became you. So teach to before sleep and after sleep, like reading that what you write in the paper or your goal, and stick beside your bed what you write, and every time you go to bed read it. Every time. Take an example. What I done is, until they believe, and I was new to athletics, my senior believed that no one can take out the Michael Johnson's world record. When Wade Van Niekerk took it, and I became fan to him, and I was also Michael Johnson's fan. What Wade Van Niekerk done, I was amazed for that, and I want to create a new record in 400 meters. Many of the athletes think it is a man killer event, but I want to take that easily. What I done is, I thought about I want to do 40, then no, I want to do 41, and that time I started to write a correct measure with a 42.00. It is. Then I started to create a vision. Like every night I read it, and I saw a video of world record by Wade Van Niekerk, the breaking. Every day I feel like I was breaking a record. By repeating a year, I trained my brain. What you train to your brain, the body will follow you. The only thing is training to your brain, then giving a physical training. It is quite requirement for an athlete. First, to train your brain. See yourself as a king, as a top man, as a fastest man first. Then the world will see you. Your body always finds what your mind thinks. First thing is writing, second thing is repetition, and the third thing is by speaking. The communication. When you heard about the great man, when you take about the Thomas Edison, or when you take about the David, they said before they creating a light bulb or knocking out a Goliath, what they remember, they said speak to someone else, and they communicated their thoughts. It strengthened them. First, before having that action, before speak to the society and speak to the public and speak to your peer group. What it done is it strengthens you. It makes you stronger. With combination of those things, you create a mental vision. Automatically, what happens? The body will follow what mind says. And thank you. This is Moses Sheraj from the City of Victory and the King of Victory.